In the previous video, we looked at a regular shaped area, calculating the area of that. And the example we said was to the north of northing 30. So it was 1, 2, 3 multiplied by 14. This line cutting across there, 30. And we came with 42 square kilometers. They can also ask you an irregular shaped area. So that usually means along the lines of the area covered by sea, or maybe the area covered by land. It's the two ways that they can ask it. In this, we're going to talk about the area covered by sea. So we said in the previous video, every box is 1 square kilometer. So each of these boxes we know can be included in the area covering the sea, the full boxes of sea there. And when you come to the other boxes, what you have to think about for an irregular area is if they are half full or more of the thing that is being asked. So in other words, is this box half full of water or more than half full? And if it is half or more full, you can include that box in your calculations. So it's always easy to start with the easy boxes. So you go all the way through the boxes that are full. And I've done this already. And you can see that there's quite a lot of boxes here, obviously. That's currently totaling 50 boxes. Now, when you come to the boxes which you're a little unsure of, I always find an easy way to do it, which is if we look at this box here, okay, I've included this in my calculation of 50 square kilometers, which is the answer for this question. And the reason I've included this is if you trace the coastline, sometimes an easy way of doing it, and you colour in almost either the land in this case, or you could colour in the sea area, and then you look at the box and you see does that shaded in area take up half of the box, and it doesn't. So that's why we can include that as a sea box, because it is half or more filled with sea. And you go through that along the coastline, you can see another example there. There is more than half filled with sea. This one here could be included possibly. I haven't at the moment, but I think if you're to add up all of the land, including the island, I'd suggest that maybe that's half filled with land, so we don't include that. There's other examples on the other side of the map over here, which you can see again. So more than half filled with sea, likewise here, working your way all the way around the map to get a total of 50 square kilometers. And again, make sure you include the unit of measurement because they look for that when they're marking it.